Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a really fun roll to do that feels just amazing. And it kind of starts out like the frog roll where you're propped up watching TV. And instead of the frog roll, so if you don't know, the frog roll is when you look, you place your weight on one side or your forearm, you touch arms and knees together and come up, and then you undo it. That's the frog roll. But this roll is more like a scorpion frog roll, where we're actually gonna lead the motion with our leg and let it pull us over. So we're gonna reach with the foot back across our body, and the way this starts is, you just wanna bend your knee and then point your foot up towards the ceiling and then start crossing over your body. And you reach until it pulls you up. But then you're gonna end up with your foot flat on the floor and your knees bent, and you're just hanging out on the beach. How you doing? And from here, we're going to dive back down to our forearms. And we're gonna do it in such a way that we open up our hips. So we're gonna dive, so we're gonna take the head and lead and reach with the arm. And as we reach with the arm, we're gonna lift the foot up off the ground and reach away from this hand. And as we reach, we're gonna get a really good opening, stretching sensation through here. You're gonna feel it right here and here. And then you just let go and let it pull you over. So at speed, it would kind of look like this. And on the other side, you would reach, come up, how you doing? And then dive down. And as you dive down, you separate these two, lengthen, and dive back around. So it's reach here, bend, reach across, let it pull you. Hey, what's up? And then you give the head, it's all about the head action. So you gotta dive down and reach, and let it pull you across. And that dive down and reach is, well, that's what just feels good. So from this angle again, we're gonna reach, let it pull us, and then, hey, and then reach, let it pull us, and then, hey. So this is, again, this roll is fun, because you get to do the head thing, but it opens up your hips, and it really just feels amazing. Both sides, going this way feels really good, especially if you're patient. And being patient, I mean you let the leg pull you over, and then you also work on how smooth you can transition from the forearm through the wrist to getting that shoulder extended. And then when the dive and the separation here that you create, that's the awesome part. And then you just come back around. And now you let the reach and the head finish pulling that leg across, all right? So again, it's here, hey, back to here. Give that a shot. I think you're really gonna like this roll. Feels awesome. And that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
This public service announcement was brought to you by It Feels Good to Feel Good Foundation. Thanks for watching.